Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the malicious pop-up windows that are related to the site Nasder.site. Nasder.site is a deceptive page. It claims to be related to the well-known security application. But in reality, it's a mistake to trust these deceptive pop-ups by Nasder.site. Do not ever interact with them. Do not install anything that these pop-ups ever suggest. Such pop-ups, by the way, could be the consequence of some adware on the system. We recommend you to leave this page and also to research your device with a combo cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and begin carefully researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and eliminate other threats that could possibly remain on your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.